All right, so when we're talking about inhalation for core breathing, what we do is we use kind of light abdominal tension to restrict excess inhalation or excess filling of my rib cage. I don't want to get what is called hyperinflated, where we get too much air in. So let's take a breath in. Think about breathing in through the nose, out through the mouth, where put our hands on our stomach. Okay, and we just take a biggest breath in that we can through the nose. Without any tension, we feel things fill up, and then we exhale and kind of leave our hands where we were at the peak of our kind of inhalation. So one more time. Breathe in, I'm up here. I exhale, I come down. Now I want you to just put about 20 to 25% tension in your abs, maybe 30%. Okay, and we want to stay below this point where my hands are. Okay, so I'm going to breathe in. Biggest breath that I can take, and then exhale. One more time. Breathe in. And exhale. And just kind of feel the level of tension necessary to do that. We need no more than that, but no less either.